Please make sure that you are entering your AI side business models, plans. Please email me at mondaymakers271 at gmail.com, and we will continue to evaluate those on a common basis. So I will be making decisions for those cash prize giveaway sometime in late April or at the end of April. So continue to emailing me your business model plans. I'll type it up and make sure that it'll be sent out by the end of this week. So please make sure that you do that. But this is called Shamora. This is another get paid to chat for something like, chatting with regular people. Schmoozers are paid up to $20 per hour of chatting time. Shamora is an on-demand com- conversation app that converts people with real humans for positive, judgment-free, one-on-one conversations of any topic. We are building a community of Shamoras people with personality and humor. As part of the role, you are expected to show up on time when you set your availability, engage in respectful, thoughtful, and judgment free conversations, be a positive, reliable human presence to your user, and you're going to follow their community guidelines and safe guide. So you're going to fill out your first name, your last name, your email address, your date of birth, gender, your race and ethnicity. Are you currently based in the United States? Are you legalized to work in the United States? And how did you hear about them and consent? And you're going to submit it. And then they're going to go through and they're going to look through and see if you are a good fit. You got to be someone that likes to talk and a positive person. If you are not, then this is not the right opportunity for you and you won't get selected. But please do make sure to follow all of their guidelines and everything that they want because $20 an hour is pretty good. I usually promote side hustles, but this could become a full time job. So sometimes your side hustles can be a full time job. But other than that, you have a great day, and I will leave this link in the description. Bye now.
It's a Turing website where you have different freelance gig programs that you can do. They have a lot of different AI systems that you can utilize if you have experience in that. But most people don't have a lot of experience in IA, so and that's okay. They're willing to train you. But also they have this video content creator. So for my video content creators, you can make $150. Um, Basically, they tell you every step by step, the entire process of what you need to do to understand how to do this. So basically, for this content creator gig jerk, you're going to create a 1 to 5 minute walk and talk videos highlighting public places in your city, parks, landmarks, markers, and or cultural spots. You're going to speak naturally on camera, providing friendly and conversational commentary as if guiding a viewer in person. You're going to record smooth, steady footage using your smartphone or camera with clear audio. You're going to choose a safe public location where filming is legally allowed. You're going to follow creative guidelines, ensuring each video has a clear introduction, middle section, and a conclusion. You're going to submit videos with accurate location details. You're going to respect privacy and safety best practices when filming at public areas. And then you have to be comfortable speaking on camera, create a personal and confident presence on video, and you're gonna own a smartphone or recording device. It's a reliable internet connection for uploading videos, and then also the ability to follow task guidelines and deliver on camera as scheduled. You need to have a background in vlogging, videography, tourism, or performing arts, experience creating videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, and familiar with basic video editing or framing techniques. This is a fully remote gig work opportunity to contribute advanced AI research, contribute on creative real work tasks, and potential for extended collaboration. So you continuously make money. So they like your work, you continuously make money on this particular website. And that's just one feature. Then they have another one that's called LM Trainer, which is still basically training AI. If you have any experience in that, some require some experience, some don't. Some just might be able to get your foot in the door. It just all depends on. Then they have a fitness enthusiast wearables, and this is for my Indian people. So it has a lot of weight, a lot of diverse tasks for different areas of background and for different regions. So, it's available worldwide, and you can, come on here and see what you like, and you can get paid. You know, it's really, the possibilities is endless. You can earn anywhere from 100 to 3 grand on here. Like, you just have to make sure that you have the right intentions going in and all of that. But other than that, I will leave the link in the description, and you can view the rest on this website. But have a great day.